How to make your mic sound like trash. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can make your mic sound like trash on purpose. So let's get started. You can either change the settings of your microphone or you can even use the microphone that is associated with the webcam. So you can just do that on any of the microphone, but in order to do that, you have to alter some settings. So first of all, what you can do is open your Windows and search for Run application. That is a built-in application. So just click on Run, and this is a system application, so just click on it. And then here you gotta type down Control. So just type in Control and then click on OK. And after that, you need to find the option that says hardware and sound. But however, if you have the latest Windows, you will not be able to find hardware and sound option. So you can just either search it over here or just search sound, or you can even click on sound over here directly. So just click on sound, and once you've clicked on sound, you'll be able to see something like this. So what you're going to do is you'll be able to see the speakers over here. So you're going to click on recordings, and here all of the microphones will be listed. So if you're using the microphone associated with the webcam, that would be listed over here. Now you can see that this is the microphone I'm using right now. So when you click on it, you got to click on levels. So you have to make the microphone level complete to the 100, and you can even change this microphone boost to max, that is 30 decibel. So if there are some other options, you can just make that 100 and then click on OK. After that, you can even click on it again, and then you got to click on advanced over here. So once you click on advanced here, you got to select the channel. So you got to select the channel with the lowest number of hertz. Now in my case, the lowest number of hertz is this one, that is 44100. And the more lesser number of hertz it is, the more trash your microphone would sound like. And then you can just click on OK. And after that, the settings would be applied. So if you're using the microphone associated with the webcam, you can do the same for that as well. Just double click on that, come to levels, make them full, and then also change the settings for advanced. Those are just similar for each microphone. So just make sure to do the settings and apply them on all of the microphones listed. So that was how you can make your microphone sound like trash. And if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.